Oh. Okay, now it's good. I gotta go across. Yeah, how you doing? How you doing? Why you looking like that? Why you looking like that? Why are you looking like that? Yeah. I know. Man, no more cars. We can't stop. Every white people that stop. Like, go to the park. Walk down this and walk around. And yeah. So, a bunch of people just stopped me. And there was like a white guy and his whole family, all six of them. Like, that's a damn ass. Everybody stopped to take a picture of my ass and to see it. You know, guys. Okay, we're gonna walk just a bit and then if I come back home. I hope the sequins in the back not showing. Because I don't want that. Okay, good. Yeah, when I was coming, it cut off and I have to restart the phone because, yeah. It's nice and cool outside. Yeah. I guess some people must have picked up on it by now. Like, that could not be real. Like those bitches. I just see them where them feel about them. Anyway, I walk down the street now. And, all the people outside in the traffic. Good if you can't laugh today. Why am I so bad? I can't stay at the door lamp for make scream. People are come pick up. I just love you guys. I just like to have fun. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's how the bitch them look. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I do. I'm going to try to see if I could stop and need something to put here. Let me make it to the other one. Hi. You like it? What? I see you looking at it. Thank you, baby. I love you too, mama. I love her. She said it's beautiful. Thank you. Yeah. So, people just looking and don't want to say anything. I don't want to walk towards the park. Yeah. Baby eyes and the stop. So, yeah. So right now I'm going across the street and I'm making it to the the park. Oh. Like, what the hell? Huh? I know, right? Hi! You like it? I love you too. It's beautiful. Say hello. Hi. You having a fun time, don't you? Turn around. No problem, baby. I can do that. Yeah. Very nice. Thank you. Uh-huh. Gosh, you're stopping traffic out here, baby girl. Ain't no bitch better than you. Remember that. Some of them punch up, pat up just the same. I make you fucking feel like not going for you because you're saggy. You're saggy and natural. Fuck out of here. Watch this now. I'm going in the park. And I'm going in there. There's a lot of people here don't know what they're doing, but I'm just going to walk past. I'm not bad at nobody. I shouldn't offend anyone by any chance. But it's a beautiful day. And I know. Remember that Labor Day is coming up, guys. Just truly remember that, right? Yes, I think it's in September 4th. When the Labor Day is coming up. Yeah, of course. It's going to be so gorgeous, so beautiful. Hello. Yes, ma'am. I know somebody's looking at my booty. I know it. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to walk down the exit down there and walk back. You can see everybody's freezing right now. Everybody's talking and flashing their phone. Oh, my God. Everybody wants to get there. Nobody wants to do the work. Nobody. Hi. Nobody wants to do the work, sweetie. Nobody. Sweetheart, don't even try it. Don't even try it, okay? Okay. I don't know. I thought it was some kind of music or something was going on over here. But there ain't nothing going on over here. What's going on over here?
The chess festival.
What?
Chess festival?
I can play chess, but I like it.
I'm glad you
How
like
you
it.
doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm just here modeling.
I hear you, I hear
And you like my booty? You like my booty? Uh-huh. You love it, don't it? I was like, today I'm just gonna model my booty around. Like, hey baby, I ain't need no surgery. I got it naturally. Thanks to my mama. Yo. So hello, nobody know who I am. I'm Oliver Smelly, Facebook famous, world star famous, Jamaica turned all the world. I'm a funny lady and I got my 2 pillows in my pants. I'm just having fun. I'm just making my paycheck. Can I take a commercial break? People, can I get a commercial break? Not yet? Okay. Yes. So you like it? You actually like it, right? It's kind of cool. Like, yeah? Okay. Let's do me one little bit of favor. I know. I'm trying to behave. Okay, can you hold this 1 second for me, please? Just 1 second. Yeah, can you see me now? God damn it. Baby, don't even try it, darling. I want to tell me something hot today. My hot's a tail. Who said me not hot? Who said me not hot today? No, said me hot to us. Wine. Oh, come sing one of my own song then. Wine, wine, wine. Wine up me body, wine. Come on, calm down now. Boom, boom, tight and they don't need no stitch. Full up my glue so you know you're happy stick. Some of them attack them, I'm a do over it. Some of them suits and they pick up as a picture. This is what make it look at plastic. But I keep on your apple make any own shit. Help for your back like said them as silver ticks. Like 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago. Stop going to the Dominican Republic to buy ass. Stop going to the Dominican Republic to buy ass. Your ass looking like this.
Hey, make it bounce.
Why do motherfuckers be buying ass and the ass look like this when they come from the doctor's office? Yeah, the doctor, this is wrong. You should sue that goddamn doctor for your ass cheek. You should sue the damn doctor. Somebody want to go to dance and they think they're better than you because you're a small ass. They got this big fucking ass. They act like they're better than you and shit. When you gonna wipe your ass when you shit, bitch? You tell me how you gonna wipe that big motherfucker. You need a rope to tie that motherfucker down. Big ass motherfucker. How you act like you're better than me? Indian here. Indian. Hello, I'm live. I'm live. I'm live. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Shake your booty, honey, honey. Yeah. So, you know, I love life and I love people. But bitches, when you go to the Dominican Republic and buy the ass all the way to fucking, what's the name of the place they went to? Come on now, you know what I'm talking about, Brazil. A fucking Brazil, not Brazil, fucking Brazil. They bought this ass, they go left New York. How the fuck you gonna leave all the best doctor in New York and go all the way to the island for $1,500 to buy some ass? You better eat that money. Better eat that money and hit the fucking gym. I tell you that. You been walking on like this? I act like you better than me, bitch. No, please. Hell no. Hell no. Hell fucking no. You heard me. I said, hell no now. I'm going to go now. Don't stay too long now. Yeah, God bless you.
Take care.
All the people want to say bye.
Bye.
All 64,000 followers. God bless you. Have a good one. Have a good one. God bless you. Yeah, but I'm going to walk one more time on the block because all the cars started traffic like motherfuckers. It's so sinful. Yes. Yes, baby. Someone turn out over there so I can walk. They're going to make some more trouble on the road. Everybody like it. Yes, everybody like it. All right, I'm going to go. That's the thing with bitches. They're so afraid to be themselves. See, people like it. Actually, they love it. Ow, ow, ow. And I'm still feeling good. It's actually pushing my own ass cheeking. And it's jiggling. Let me feel like I got a big ass in real life. Because they're pushing against my muscle. Take care now. Yeah, they're getting ready for parade, I guess. They're putting on all the pipe irons coming out. Oh, yes, honey. Yeah, so I'm about to try the traffic right now. I'm about to cross over the one. My pants are fall down. Hi. Hello. So I'm going to go across the street now. On the Oland people. On the Oland. Okay, across. Hi, lovely ladies. Hello. How you doing today? God bless you guys. I can't even see you. So beautiful. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Are you right there? God bless you. You see my booty? What do you think about my booty?
It look nice.
It look nice, not true. But some of them will put on it for real life. It don't look good. It look like donkey amper. Like you go bush at early morning time. You load up the donkey from the two side. And me too cushion in there. No, baby, me couldn't so bright on Jesus Christ side. Me couldn't so wicked to myself. But anyway, me go on. Make them think you're real. All the traffic can stop them wicked to themselves. Eh? They need to believe in God. A little piece of two pillar me have, you know. A two pillar me take up from my cat pillar and shove them in there. They are more to odd and bright. I see you guys later. But anyway, don't want to spoil my look. You know, the booty is there. I love you too. Yes, ma'am. Yes, honey. So, yes, so I'm just gonna, oh my God. Oh, Jesus. I wish I had a cameraman, make it so much easier for me. Yeah, I love you too. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Man, I go and talk. Yes, I don't me say 2017, miss. I miss it so. 2017. You walk up like Ivy. Looking so sexy. Looking so fabulous. Looking so intriguing, darling. How you doing, darling? You like it? You like my bouquet? Yes, it's from Brazil. Yes, baby. Brazil white baby. All the way. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I just love life, don't you? Bitches are just mad because you don't know how to love life. Hi, pretty white boy. You like this shit, don't you? Yeah, so, yeah, everybody. Oh, my God. That's why the girl them put on a little young white boy. They must smile at me. They never smiled at me before. Shit, that's why they bite. Oh, gosh, people are so sick. They're so sick. I'm going to stop in this little park. I can't go any further with this load. I'm hungry again, just bringing these 2 pillows. I don't know how the bitches do it. Oh, God. It become like a couple pounds more. I don't know how much more. Yeah, it's something, though. Tell me some of the music out there, you know. Music may I run from? Yes, so I'm out here now. How you doing? He looks at me. I'm like, oh, oh, God damn it. Yeah. Look if you want to, it's okay. It's okay to be yourself. Yes, I'm going to reach on tree. But I'm not going to stay too long at all. Can you see me now? It's kind of dark, but I'm out here. Yes, ma'am. Of course, ma'am. Yes, darling. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, sure. Darling, nowadays, if you don't have a house like this, you don't have nowhere going to lie for a scorn to some girl. You need a house like this, you kneel down and pray. Say, yeah. Yeah. You know. Yeah. Yeah, of course. No, bitch, don't even try. Bitch, don't even go there. You can't see good? Alright, come closer. You like it? You like it? Oh, yeah, look, so you like it? You like it? Yeah? Yeah, I know, right? She likes it. You can take a picture if you want. She said, yeah, she like it. You like it? Yeah, see? Yeah, baby, I can come closer. How it said everybody's looking at it. They just really like it. See? Right here, up close. Look. You see her up close? Take it, baby. Go ahead. Snap it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby.
You know who really likes
Baby,
it?
tonight. Oh, baby. You got it?
Yeah.
You got it? Oh, yeah.
God bless you.
Those are for those bitches that think they're better than you. That's what they ask me looking when they fucking go to the doctor and come out of the office. That's the whole idea. It's not my stoop cushion, it's my cat cushion in there. I'm a comedian. I'm popular all over the world.
I'm a comedian too.
You do too?
Yeah.
So this is fucking funny, dog. You know that shit. Hold this 1 second. Look, it's fucking funny, dog. Look at this shit.
People are currently liking it and loving it.
Yeah, I know, right? I can take a commercial break.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, thank you. I like to be happy all the time. I have to take a commercial break, and that's the way I get paid.
Okay, I'll find you.
Yes, find me, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, baby. Yeah, so you guys enjoy too? Yeah, have a good one. Yeah. She likes it too. You like it too? Put your hands up, yeah? Yeah, she like it too. See, a lot of people like it. Yeah. And sometimes you got to school bitches how you make it, how you become popular. They don't want to do the work, but they want to come and ride on you. How much bitches will do this and come outside? Not many. It feels so fucking light. Don't pick up my other phone. I don't know who feel fucking, oh shit, good. I forgot now I can't stay too long because the woman on the train I come pick up her cream. So business is business. After all the ass parties over, I have to get back in. Yeah, they just loving it. I don't know why. Why are you looking at it like that there, Daniel? Woo. Yeah. Huh? Huh? Yeah, everybody passes. It's like, really? God damn it. Go chocolate. Yeah, God damn it. It's a beautiful world, baby. It's a beautiful world. Yeah, they don't want to do the work, but they want to come for your line. They want to come for your line and they don't want to do the work. They don't want to do the work at all. You can see my body because I'm on camera. My cameraman, so you can't see it. You can't see the body when I walk. So walls myself. Yes, man. You can see me. I love you too. Never know want to do the work, but you want to go right for your blood clot back when you don't. You see your mad, but you want to go right for your blood clot. Not go right on this pussy. Not go right on this. The cross one don't, if you just look the ass, not me, that's the question. Not me at all. So anyway, I'm never cross the street now. And the show is almost over. Gosh. Yes, man. Let's see the man back on me, I watch. Let's see who I watch me. Let's see, no, I can't feel the eyes then. Yeah. I did stop. I hope people stop like this shit. Damn. No, man. You gotta do what you gotta do. You can. That's one thing in life I learned. You can't sit down and want something and don't want to work for it. You know? It's about laughter. It's about fun. Everybody's sad. Everybody has one problem, wants something to laugh after. You make people happy instead of fucking come console people online. You make it better off. It's a better thing for you to do. Make people laugh instead of curse somebody out. There's so much things you can do. Yeah, like the bitch and say, I'm alive. I start everybody, I look at myself with the blood clot is. I don't like my booty. My booty. Yes, booty. You like it? You like it? You like it? See that baby? Beautiful, God bless you. I'm all about smelly. Follow me on Facebook for the best laughter. I'm a cushion them. Yeah. Yeah, man. Well, I'm gonna mix the people them cream now. So my God, is that real? The body stop now, sir. Eh? Yes, they want to know if it's real, everybody card and stuff, nobody want to know. So good enough for the one already. And the pussy will come go on and the motherfucker you want my cheat. And some man go on the one, then they call the club, put on a wig, put on a bigger body, put on a wig, and put on one glass and go in for the motherfucker and see the right behind him. You will never know what to the right behind him. Remember me tell you that. Put up yourself, get the stocking and hold it good. Because I can make it better and say, I have time. You know, and make it look more better. And then you fucking go in. Them mother scunt to one and see the right on the club in there. When you come to come check off for you, and you see him one. Yes, man. Like them a run come, everybody a run come. Like Lord, this a girl look nice. Baby, you like it? Come here, man. Come here, man. Come here. This is a day today. Today's a big day for you today. You don't know why. Come here. Come here. Don't be shy. You're handsome young man. Come over here and say.
That's what you doing.
Just come. Don't do that now. I'm the famous lady. Yeah. Yeah. So come here. You like the booty? Feel it, booty. Feel it body for me.
Huh?
Feel it for me and see if you like it. Feel it, no man. Come on, man, and stop it, no man. Come, man.
Miss,
Come.
I'm gay.
Huh?
I'm gay.
It doesn't matter. Me have gay friends. I have gay fans. Look, I have a lot of fans there. Gay. Come squeeze it if you like it. It's too cushy. And now, sir, the man laugh. He saying gay, he can't squeeze it. And he realized, he said, no, I'm not pushing it, so you make my day. Don't worry if you're gay or not. Me have a lot of gay friends. Come on. That shit is in I gotta tell you, people, it's something else. I love you too. Now we're gonna mix woman cream. I'm gonna mix woman cream and I get back on. I love you guys very much. Okay? Business, I gotta go take off the cream because that's important. It's very important at this time. Come on, damn it. This thing is giving me